In today's video, I'm going to show you how to import an Excel file into Smartsheet step by step. This is perfect if you're moving data from Excel into Smartsheet for project management, tracking, or collaboration, and you want to make sure everything comes in clean and organized. Whether you're brand new to Smartsheet or just need a quick refresher, this guide will walk you through the entire process. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple software tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to smartsheet.com. Log in using your Smartsheet account credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Smartsheet home screen where you can see your existing sheets, workspaces, and recent activity. This is the main dashboard where all your work in Smartsheet starts. Next, decide where you want your Excel file to live. Select the sheet or workspace where you want to import your Excel data. If you're organizing projects by workspace, this step is important because it keeps everything structured and easy to find later. After selecting the correct location, click on Workspace Options and choose Add to Workspace. This allows you to bring new files, sheets, or data directly into the workspace you're currently using, instead of importing them somewhere else and moving them later. Now, click on the Import option. This is where Smartsheet gives you multiple choices for bringing in data from other tools and file types. From the list of import options, choose Microsoft Excel and CSV. This tells Smartsheet that you're importing a spreadsheet file from Excel or a compatible CSV format. Once you select Microsoft Excel and CSV, a file picker window will open. Locate the Excel file on your computer that you want to import. Click on the file, then select Import. Smartsheet will begin processing the file and converting it into a Smartsheet sheet. During the import process, Smartsheet may prompt you to confirm how columns, headers, or data types should be handled. Take a moment to review these settings to make sure dates, numbers, and text fields are mapped correctly. This helps prevent formatting issues after the import is complete. After the import finishes, your Excel data will now appear as a Smartsheet sheet inside your selected workspace. From here, you can start using Smartsheet features like assigning tasks, adding dependencies, collaborating with teammates, and automating workflows. And that's it, you've successfully imported an Excel file into Smartsheet. If this tutorial saved you time or made the process easier, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more Smartsheet and software how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.